It's the moment you've all been waiting for, and I have a special guest to help me unbox some Labubus tonight. It's my youngest daughter, Chloe, and she is so excited. She almost can't stand it. So let's get started. Go ahead, girlie, open one. This is the Exciting Macaron. She got the gray one, which is sesame bean. Okay.
Sesame bean can sit right there.
Open one of your have-a-seats.
Let's see. These are the options. It's the one that I wanted.
Aww.
It's Cece. I think they're all like family.
You think so?
Sissy or something like that.
Probably.
And then it has a little card.
Okay. You hold the camera and let me try it now. Okay, let's see. This is another one of the Exciting Macaroons. I can't even get into the thing. Oh, it's the green one.
It's really cute.
It is green grape. And it's the purple one, which is Hee Hee. Okay, well, we got some extra ones here. This is another one of the Exciting Macarons. It is, oh, we don't have this one. This one is soy milk.
Ooh, soy milk.
And then we've got one more have a seat. And do we have this one? Oh no, it's a gray one, just like the purple one. Which is, its eyes are closed, ZZ. And then the one I'm not going to open is a special edition. It is the Wings of Fortune. So let me know which one you guys have, because I'm sure you probably have just as many sitting around as I do. Thanks for watching our unboxing. Have a good night.